3-in-1 Car Repair Toolkit. The STZ01 Operation Instruction.
Park the brigade car on smooth and solid ground, never on slope ground. We stack 3 pieces of anti-slip types on one set of plastic toolkits, so it's with anti-slip function. Take out a 2-in-1 electric jack, electric impact wrench, the power cable, gloves and socket adapters. In one set of plastic toolkits, there is with warning sign, so put it in the back of your car more than 15 meters. Remind the passing cars to pay more attention to the safety. Connect the power plug into the car signal lighter. Make sure the car in the state of charge. The pilot lamp would be on. If the car signal lighter is broken, it couldn't get power. Then we prepare the battery clamp connecting cable for you, and you could get the power from the car battery direct instead of the car signal lighter. When connecting with car battery, please pay more attention to connect the correct positive and negative charges. According to different vehicles, adjust the adjustable screw of the jack to one suitable height. As for the vehicle instruction request, ensure the center of pressure rod to align the loading part of automobile chassis. Adjust the function switch to left, the direction switch to up, then the jack will start to lift. Till the distance between the tire and the ground is about 20 millimeters. Stop lifting. Take out the spare tire. Put it under the vehicle first to prevent the accident happening. Pull out one end of power cable from the jack. Then connect it to the bottom end of electric impact wrench tightly. Choose the suitable socket to the wrench shaft. Make sure the socket and tire knot tight connection. Press the left side of the switch to unscrew each knot. When unscrewing the last knot, please tension to prevent the tire slipping suddenly. Put on the spare tire. Screw the nuts manually first. Press the right side of the switch to tighten the nuts. It would be enough after 3 times of clear sound. And in the principle of diagonal lock knot, lock each knot. Take out one end of power cable from electric impact wrench and connect it back to the jack. Press the function switch to lift, the direction switch to down, then the car will be slowly falling down. If coming across happenstance, for example, out of energy for car battery or circuit fault causing the motor couldn't work, then we could fall down it manually by adjusting the safety valve. Just remove the rubber hide of safety valve. Loose the safety valve with 6-angle spanner and rotate about half circle in the direction of loss. The cap will be slowly falling down. Then tighten the safety valve with 6-angle spanner in the direction of tight. Another function of a 2-in-1 electric jack is inflating function. Open the right cover and get out the air hose. Tighten the front end of the air hose with a tight valve. Then check the pressure gauge. If the pressure of the spare tire is not enough, adjust the function switch to inflate. Then the jack will start to inflate the tire. In summer, the pressure is enough up to 2.2 bar. In winter, it should be 2.5 bar. Our jack could inflate basketball, football, and other kinds of balls. Also available for iron bind, lifebuoy, rubber dampy, bicycle, motorcycle, and other inflatable tools. Now, introduce how to change the fuse. Screw the nut of the height of the power cable connector. Get out the inner fuse. Then put into one new fuse from the plastic tube case. Put back the connector and tighten the nut. Next, introduce the safety hammer. We have to dig out it from the plastic tube case. Keep it in the car in case of need. One end of the safety hammer with blade. In any emergency, cut off the safety belt with it. While remove the rubber pipe in another end of the safety hammer, the sharp part of it could break the window to escape.